Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we are going to make a portfolio website with Google Gemini Build tool that is from Google AI Studio. We are going to make the complete portfolio website for developers and with the smart UI and stylish UX. So we will use a smart prompt engineering technique to build this complete portfolio website. So let's see how we can do this. Now let's see the portfolio website which I have created with the Gemini Build. So this is the portfolio website which I have created, and this is the home page. Like you can see that how clean and how stylish the modern UI and UX the website has, and the page is like, and the front page is looking so good and well designed, like resume button, download, view projects, and this is the navigation bar sections like about, skills, experience, project, and it is all clickable, and when we click on it then we explore the pages. Then this is the resume button. When we click on it, then we directly go to the download link of that resume, and all are working well. And this is the skill section, and how design is created. Look like that. The creativity is so amazing, and it looks very good when we see these designs. And this is the professional journey, like experience. This is the experience section of the portfolio website, and this is the feature projects, all divide in categories. When we click on different, then it will show a different projects. This is the project section. It is all nice animation. It has nice animation and design. And then model performance matrix for visualization, and then resume preview section, and then get in touch. This is the contact form, and this is GitHub, LinkedIn, and email. When we click on these links, then all are working fine. And I have also the code downloaded in my local system. So this is the code of portfolio website, all written in TypeScript and React tools. So this is the portfolio website which I have built with Gemini Build. Now let's search for Google AI Studio. Search Google AI Studio. This is the website, and here this is the main menu section, and we need to go to build section. Here this is the playground section, and below the playground section we will find build section. Here we can make a complete website. So this is the build section, build your ideas with Gemini. And now we will give the prompt here. So with for prompt we will use chat gpt. So let's go to the chat gpt, and I have written a prompt structure here. So this is the prompt I will use to generate a prompt, full structure prompt from the GPT. I will also give my resume, so GPT will better understand what I want to do, and it will fetch the detail from my resume also. So this is the prompt, and let's paste the prompt here. And now I will also give my resume. So let's copy the resume. Now, so this is my resume, and let's upload this. Let's send this. So this will give us a structure prompt, so we can use to build a complete portfolio website with the help of this structure prompt. It has mention animation, font style, themes. So this is what I mentioned in the prompt, and it will exactly do the same things. So this is all the prompt we need to just copy paste in that build. So let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this and now let's paste here. Let's click on build. Okay, it start building our website. So our portfolio website is created now, and so this is how our portfolio website is looking. Let's open it into the full screen, and this is how it is looking. As you can see, this is different from the website which I have shown you, because every time it's generate a new and do some creativity, so website can be different. With the same prompt it will generate different websites, so it can be the scenario. And now it is also added the different images. We will change this by adding the prompt. Now let's see. Now I will do one thing, that I will remove these images from here. So we need to mention this. Let's take this screenshot from here, and I will remove these images from here. And this is completely irrelevant about the topic, so we need to remove this out. So let's see, will it be able to remove the images or not. Okay, it's completed. Now let's see whether it is removed the images or not. So the images removed from the feature project section. So as we can see that by the prompt we can modify the website completely, or we can add or remove something which we don't want, and we can adjust this according to the requirements. So with the help of prompt engineering we can do, or we can edit different things, or we can modify this portfolio website. Now I will show you the website which I have created and which I have shown you. So this is the website. So this is the website. This is the website we have seen. I have created from here. So this is how we can create portfolio websites from Google AI Studio Gemini Build tool. And this is a very helpful and powerful tool. We can create or modify, or we can do different tasks with this build tool. This is completely free for now, and we can create. And now let's understand how we can deploy this website. For deployment, we need to download this code. We can download this code from here. This is the zip file, and this zip file contain all the code. To push this code on, so first of all we need to push this code on GitHub. So I have already pushed this code. Let's see. So here is the code. So I have already pushed the code on GitHub. From GitHub where we connect the Vercel, and then we deploy the app. Then we deploy this website. So this is the website Vercel we can where we can deploy our web portfolio website. So this is the mm, section, and this is the deployment integration different sections. I have deployed one website, so this is the status of that website. We just need to log in we just need to sign up with Gmail, and then we need to connect our GitHub account. Then we can connect the repositories which we want to deploy, and which have our code. So I have connected this repository. You can change or you can stop the this is the website. So here is the name of my repositories, and this is the domain name, and this is the deployment. And you can check the status, analytics, logs, activities, and runtime logs, build logs, and different things. We can connect other repositories also. So this is how we can deploy or live our website with Vercel.
That's it from this video, guys. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.